Now, Mom has just arrived home, and she likes it. She's going to go in there and spend some time with the babies. But she approves of my purchase. I'm going to turn the light up a little bit.
Thomas! Come on, my Thomas! Come on! Come on, Thomas! Thomas!
They're going to see Mama.
Thomas! Hello, sweet babies. Hey, Bridge.
Bridge, stop.
What love? I know I missed you too. I missed you too, my love. Hi, baby.
So what do we call this pen, honey?
The next pen.
An X pen. The X pen works really well with the indoor-outdoor carpeting, and they seem to be able to walk a lot better. Maggie's checking out Hershey, or Doc, I think. Oh,
But so much. Love? What? Hi, sweetie.
no, Bridge. Bridge wants to go over the top, honey.
No, Great Kate. No, it's too high. Did you see her looking at it?
She said, I think I can jump over that.
Yes, I think I can jump over that. Maggie's fascinated. Maggie loves babies. Maggie loves to train babies. Maggie trained Bridget and Ian. Yes, babies.
I think they like you, sweetie.
Babies.
I think they like you a lot. Oh, look at Mag with. Is that Doc with? No, it's Emma. No, that's Emma, I think. Oh.
Oh, sweet. That's very Grace.
That's very Grace.
Hey, you. Big old tuffy you.
Well, this is really working out really well. As I said earlier, we can all sit and watch the ball games together. Football, hockey, basketball. From that position for them and from that position for me. It's like God is good. It's a great life. Denise is happy. I'm happy. The other dogs are happy. Babies are happy. It's good. Don't play favoritisms, Denise. Don't you love that baby so much? You're leaving that baby too much. Nope, Bridge. Okay, signing off.